Good morning, Cannin users. Hope everyone has their coffee in hand and they're ready to do a little technical analysis. This week we're going to look at GT Biopharma, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company doing some really exciting things. They have about 6 drugs in their pipeline. One of them is in some clinical development right now in partnership with some of the biggest pharmaceutical firms in the world. All of them are for pain or oncology purposes, and they're antibody drug conjugates, which is a new type of approved drug. There are more and more of these antibody drug conjugates on the market these days, and all of them are big wins for the pharmaceutical companies who make them. So we can expect a big announcement if these clinical trials are successful, and therefore the pricing charts should take off. But let's look at today. Let's jump over to the pricing chart now and look at what we can see in today's trends. So you'll see we're looking at GT Biopharma, again using the Heikin Ashi. And I'm just going to scroll out a little bit. You can see this stock, once they changed from Oxys to GT Biopharma, it's lost a little bit of momentum. They used to trade around $17, $20, $24. And for the past couple of weeks and months, they've been down at around $2. And I'm showing a couple momentum indicators here. We have the awesome oscillator, the relative strength index, and the Chaikin oscillator. And you can see there's not a lot in here. So the awesome oscillator calculates the difference between a couple pricing points, and it's lagged. You can see when we have the price increase, these couple days of big wins in a row, the awesome oscillator is actually lagging behind. So it's more to confirm trends, not to tell you when to get in or out of a trade. The RSI and the Chaikin oscillator you've seen many times before. You can see that the RSI is within 70 and 30, not overbought, not oversold, kind of consistent with the price that we've seen, right around $2 for the last couple months. The Chaikin oscillator as well, a little bit below zero right now, but traditionally look back this whole period, it's been hovering right at around zero. So there's not a lot that the momentum indicators are telling us. And in previous weeks, we've looked at charts where there's a lot happening. There's an anticipated drop or a huge anticipated gain. This is not one of them. This is one of them where we would continue to watch day to day and see what the momentum indicators tell us. Today it's telling us nothing. Don't buy, don't sell this stock. It's not expected to do a lot, not a lot of big changes. So continue to watch these and see if there's a breakout before some of these clinical trial markups, because that's going to have a huge impact on the pricing chart. So thanks for paying attention, and watch GT Biopharma closely in the next few months as these clinical trials proceed.